Hey guys, my name is Fan Rashid and welcome to this video. Here, before I go through this actual sales page, which is going to be about affiliate marketing, I want to quickly explain what affiliate marketing is about. Okay, affiliate marketing in simple terms is when you recommend someone else's product, and if someone buys that, you're going to get paid. Okay, you're going to get about 50% commission when someone purchases that product. It's just that simple. And the benefit of that is you don't have to create anything. Okay, you don't really have to do any work. You don't have to. It's better than a brick and mortar shop, because that way you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to actually purchase the shop, and then hundreds of thousands on inventory. So it's a very low cost setup. Okay, that's the benefit of affiliate marketing. There are other benefits as well, as in you can work from anywhere. All you need is a laptop, and the only software you really need is an autoresponder. It's recommended you have a website, but you can do it without a website. It's recommended you have a social media account. Again, you can do it without that, but I recommend these things. But ultimately, what you really need is an autoresponder. The only downside to affiliate marketing is the actual doing the work. Okay, is the actual content itself. Okay, so when it comes to writing articles, it's all time consuming. It's a bit of a headache. You don't know what to write. Writing the email is a bit of a hassle as well to do your emails correctly. And videos, that's the biggest problem what people have. The other big problem is getting traffic, which is why I've got this product here. Highly recommend it. It's got everything that you need to do with affiliate marketing, and it's PLR as well, and you get PLR rights with this. You can sell this as this is. This is the sales page. You can watch this by clicking the links below. Okay, and at the end of the video, I've got another kind of present for you as well, which you can get for absolute free. It'll just be another ebook which I've created for you, basically explaining what affiliate marketing is all about. But this is the sales page. Again, the links will be down below this video, and I'm going to explain quickly what you're going to get. And this is it. First thing you're going to get in this PLR pack is 10 affiliate marketing ebooks. Okay, these aren't your usual ebooks. These are very short ebooks, easy to read, and they've got everything covered. I recommend you read these yourself, because everything explains what affiliate marketing is, how to promote the affiliate offers, effective ways to increase clicks and conversions, 10 affiliate programs. Again, look through all this. Okay, go through this. These are all the topics. Affiliate secret weapons, everything's going to be explained in here. And like I said, you can sell these ebooks. I recommend between $5 and $10 each, or you can give these away and build your list that way. Okay, it's that simple. I've got affiliate marketing videos here. Okay, you will not get any videos with the PLR pack. Here I'm going to give you over 20. Okay, these are some samples. Again, scroll down this page, watch these samples, click on these, the samples will pop up. These are shorter versions. These are about 4 or 5 minutes long each, but here I've got them down to about 30 seconds. Click these. They're created by professional voiceovers. Okay, this is not AI. They're created by voiceovers done by a real person. Again, you can place these onto YouTube, and I've got square videos which you can place onto Facebook and what is the other one? I think Twitter and Pinterest as well. You can place these anywhere. They designed the square videos specifically designed for Facebook and Pinterest. So check these out. And again, you can do a ton of things. I've got training provided, which will be provided. I'll give them through an email series of mine. But once you purchase this, I'll show you what to do with these videos. Basically, put them onto YouTube. You're going to get traffic that way. I've got done for you keyword research. So there's no guessing here. What people are typing in onto YouTube, I've already given you the keywords there to put in. And you're going to get hundreds of those for keywords for YouTube and Google. I can't explain that any more than it is. Unless it's in the training. I've got a comprehensive checklist, a step-by-step guide which ensures you don't miss anything. You do everything on this checklist, everything will be sorted. I've got email series for you. Again, I've got 7 to 8 emails in any niche written by experts. Good to go. Just place these into your autoresponder and everything is sorted for you. I've got articles for you, so if you do have a website, you can just copy and paste these articles onto your website. Again, the training will be provided. You can even chop these up and put them onto Facebook if you wish. I've got affiliate Rolodex, so instead of wasting your time hunting for the correct affiliate offers, which affiliate partners, which networks to join, everything going to be explained in here. I literally give you products to promote. That's what that is. There's so much more in this. I couldn't explain it, and I can't fit it all into this sales page. It's that simple. There's much more. Again, full PLR rights. You can rebrand it, add your logos onto it, sell it as your own. Basically, keep 100% of profits yourself. Do what you want with it. It's only imagination that keeps you down. And I think I've said nearly everything that needs to be said to this. Now the price is $19, which is extremely cheap right now. I'm only doing that cheap because I can see on the sales page I've got no testimonials on there. So all I want you to do is purchase this at $19, give me your testimonials, because once I've got enough testimonials the price will go up to about $27 for this. Okay, because no one else gives you PLR like this. This is like the best PLR you're ever going to get. It's not just ebooks, you're getting videos. No one gives you videos or email series, keyword research, checklist. You're going to get everything in this PLR. It's a complete done for you business in a box. Again, click the links below. I've got a free ebook which explains what affiliate marketing is and why you should be doing it. That'll be down below as well. And I highly recommend this. If you're into PLR, you want content already done for you. You don't have to do any work yourself. You don't have to create the videos. You don't have to write the articles. I've got traffic training in there as well. Also, all this is going to be sorted within this PLR pack. Okay, so I think I've said nearly everything that needs to be said about this. And that's me, Irfan Rashid from Marketing with Rashid, and I'll speak to you next time.